Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing all great. Today I share with you one of the easiest and quickest puff recipe that you can make at home. You will love this, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To a bowl, I'll go in with my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour, salt flour, if that is what you have. Okay, so moving forward, I'll go in with some half cup of sugar as well. Use any sweetener of your choice. I'll go in with about half tablespoon of nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with half tablespoon of salt as well, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Moving forward, I'll go in with some half tablespoon of vanilla essence as well. I'll give everything a good mix, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And whilst that is done, I'll go in with my active dried yeast. Okay, so I activated it off camera. I guess everybody knows how to activate yeast. Okay, so after adding everything, I also go in with some evaporated milk as well, and trust me, all these ingredients coming together is going to make this puff taste really good. Trust me on this one. So now let's mix everything well, and we also want to make sure to go in with the water little by little so that we will achieve a very beautiful and nice dough. And so while that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so as you can see, I am doing this with my hand. Yes, today I feel like mixing my puff with my hand. You can also use your spatula to do this. Okay, and your girl is also on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia, so kindly follow me there as well, and let's grow together beautifully. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so as you can see, I am done mixing the dough. So we're going to learn how to drop a puff. I have a lot of comments about how I do drop my puff. I have a very detailed recipe on the channel, so I'll leave that video link also in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, so now let's just watch this and see if we can be perfect on it. So as you can see, I am trying and catching the dough to create smoothness on the dough, and once that is done, I will scoop it in between my fingers, just the way you see it on your screens right now. It's very easy. So if you want to see how I drop it in details, I'll leave that video link, as I said, in the description box for you to check it out. So now let's cover it and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes, and afterwards we will be back to check on it and also heat up some cooking oil as well. So we're going to be using any cooking oil to fry this puff. And as a beginner, if you don't want to create any wahala for yourself, you just have to test your oil with some puff, I mean a little bit of the dough. So when you see that the dough is floating on the surface of the oil and is beginning to fry, that indicates that the oil is ready. So now the oil is nice and very hot. Let's go in with our puff and let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Remember, as always, to fry this on low medium heat until it's nice and golden brown. While that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to the channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the puff puff on low medium heat for about 10 minutes, this is how it turned out. It turned out so good and just perfect. So fam, what do you think about this easy puff puff recipe? I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your wonderful feedbacks afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.